Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are good and safe at home. It's me, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to learn about fractions, but the difference of fractions with different denominators. So basically we are going to learn how to subtract two fractions when they are given with different denominators. Let's see, here is a question number 6 in your exercise 3C. Subtract the following, giving your answer in its lowest term. Okay, these are the questions that you have to give your answer, subtract the fractions as well, and you have to give your answer in the lowest term. So let's see that how to subtract and then give the answer in the lowest term. Here you can see two fractions on the screen and you're supposed to subtract them. As we have discussed in addition of fractions, the first rule, the first step that you need to take the LCM of both the denominators. Okay, and I told you about one quick method as well to get the LCM in case if one number is divisible by the other one. So like here you can see that 12 is divisible by 3 and 12 is the bigger number in both the denominators. So 12 is going to be your LCM. So see, with these small tricks you don't need to go for the long procedure of LCM and all that, writing the multiples and then find out the LCM. So since 12 is the LCM, so we are supposed to just make both the denominators 12. Since the first fraction has already 12 as denominator, so we are supposed to make a second denominator 12. So how 12 comes in 3 times table? Yes, it is 3 times 4, 12, and then the same number should be multiplied with the numerator. Exactly the same procedure which we have learned in addition of fractions. You have to follow the same procedure. Only the difference is at the end of when you were adding the numerators, at that time you are going to subtract definitely. So over here write the numerators. Okay, sorry, the line big. Just write your answers. This is as it is, 4 times 2, 8 divided by 12, and this is now write your denominator, or you can say your LCM once, and then write your numerators with subtraction sign. So 11 minus 8, what is 11 minus 8? Yes, it's 3 upon 12. Your question was that you have to subtract the fractions and you have to write your answer in lowest term. So see, is this in the lowest term? Of course not, because 12 is divisible by 3. So that means we are going to cancel this 12 with 3. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 4 is 12. So what is your answer? 1/4, or you can say 1 upon 4. So this is the way you can write your answer in the lowest term if they are divisible by each other. So cancel them first and then write your answer. Okay, so 1 upon 4 is the lowest term of this question. If you write only 3/12, so that means you miss one step, so you can lose your marks whenever you attempt these questions in your assessment or in your exams. Okay, hope you understand the concept. Let's see another question in your exercise. Subtract the following mixed fractions. Okay, let's solve a part of this question number 7 of exercise 3C. So let's see that first how to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions and then subtract. So how to convert a mixed number into improper fraction? So like there is a 6 whole and half, 1 upon 2. So 6 whole, that should be multiplied with the denominator 2. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13 upon 2. Second mixed number, 4 as a whole number, 1 upon 8. So 4 times 8, 32. 32 plus 1, 33 upon 8. Now the next step, we have to find the LCM of 2 and 8. Okay, So since the LCM of 2 and 8 is 8, so that means we are going to make both the denominators as same as LCM. So that is 8. So how 8 comes in 2 times table? 2 times 4, 8. And then 4 is going to be multiplied with the numerator as well. Since the second fraction has already denominator 8, so we are not going to do anything with it. 13 times 4, 52. Next step, we are supposed to write answers of these. After making the denominator same, your next task is to write the denominator once and then subtract the numerators as normally we do with the fractions. So now 52 minus 33. What is 52 minus 33? 12 minus 3, 9, and 4 minus 3, 1. So 19 upon 8. Now see, 19 upon 8. Is this the lowest term? No. This is an improper fraction. So whenever we have improper fraction, we are supposed to convert it into mixed number form before writing your answer. So 19 divided by 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 8 times 3 is 24. So we cannot write 24 under 19. So 8 times 2 is 16. 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 6 is 3. So 2 quotient as a whole number, remainder 3, and divisor 8. So see this, that how to write an improper fraction into mixed number. Quotient, remainder, and divisor. So 2 is your quotient, 3 is your remainder, and 8 is your divisor. Hope you understand the concept of subtraction of mixed numbers. Procedure for mixed number. Let's check out another example. It's F part of your exercise. So the same procedure that we need to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26 divided by 3 minus 12 times 3, 36 plus 1, 37 upon 12. Now observe 3 and 12. What could be the possible LCM over here? Yes, it could be 12 only. So see, 3 times 4 is 12. So 4 we are going to multiply with the numerator also. Okay, so now what is 26 times 4? So if you feel difficult to write it directly, so you can multiply 26 and 4. Next, write your denominators and numerators as it is. Now see, the denominator is same. So just write it down. Numerators 104 minus 37. Okay, subtract 37 from 104. So what is your answer? 67 upon 12. So this is 67 upon 12. Now see, again an improper fraction we got. So definitely we are going to divide that in working column. Okay, divide 67 with 12, then get your answer. So you can have 12 times table. Okay, you can multiply 12 with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can check your answer. So 12 times 5 is 60. So what is my answer? 5 whole, 7 upon 12, because 5 is the quotient, 7 is the remainder, and 12 is the divisor. So this is the way to write your answer. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept of mixed numbers and subtraction of mixed numbers. So 5 whole, 7 upon 12 is the answer of this question. Stay blessed and do your homeworks regularly. Allah Hafiz.